Write that down. Dog paws.
Okay.
Dog paws,
Yeah.
definitely. All right. Does anyone have any questions, especially for Nigel, on any of the products or
I have a
anything?
question.
Okay, Trina, take it away.
Right? I just happened on some foot scrub. And I have a quick question. Can you use it on your legs too?
Yeah. It's
I'm,
all
I'm,
it is Himalayan sea salt and
as long
the
as it's not too
oils.
rough, I would say.
It's not too rough for the leg. Ooh, this one is juicy.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wow.
So, ooh.
Himalayan foot scrub. Ooh, sea salt. So I
Yes.
Good.
couldn't use it on my legs.
So you just take it.
I'll try my foot.
Oh, sure. He said you want
Oh,
to
it
try
smells
my
good.
foot. He said you want to try my foot. He said that real quick. Come here, babe. No problem. Fill that little pail
Oh,
up
go
with.
ahead.
Oh,
No, just put a little water in it. No problem.
What, Nigel?
You must
Okay.
You want to try my foot? Because I have been telling him for a while that I was gonna, hook him up, but we've been busy, and I haven't had a chance to. So I see you, babe. I got you. I got you.
Well,
No, you called me out. It's okay. I got you. And your
well,
feet.
the foot scrub has worked wonders on my husband's feet. He
Really?
loves it. Yes. And I have to thank you. I'm having such nice footsie stuff now. And
Yeah. Big
I
difference.
wasn't going
Scratchy.
near those feet.
Yeah.
It's
Sometimes,
such a difference.
can be a little rough.
Yeah.
Well, my daughter said it works on her eyebrows, made them grow really good.
Mine too.
The
What
foot.
food is that?
Yeah, she swears by it.
I had the same experience. My eyebrows had holes in them, and now a year later, even the lady at the nail shop, she
The
was
foot scrub?
No.
no,
Hold
not
on.
the foot scrub.
Okay.
The oil. The oil, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You guys gave me heart
I
palpitations.
can use that. Yeah.
Guys, seriously, like, wow.
No, the lady at the nail shop, she was trying to get me to get those microderm eyebrows. You know how like girls
You
are
don't
all
wanna
getting
do
them,
that.
and they're so thick they reminded me of like a clown. So I never got them.
Groucho.
But I had
Groucho
such-
Marx.
Yeah, Groucho Marx. But I have such thinning that I didn't know what to do, so I started drawing. But then I got a hold of Nigel's almond oil.
I use it
And I
too.
use it every day on my eyebrows, and it actually grew the hair back.
You can't see them though, but
The lady at the nail shop said, "What did you do?"
I use it on my eyebrows too.
I
I
do too.
put it on my
I'm
eyebrows.
going to try that. My eyebrows.
Can't see them, but I have some.
I see them.
Mary, I can't hear you.
Your speaker's off, Mary.
Yeah,
Oh,
you have to
unmute
unmute.
yourself, mommy.
Ooh, look at that rub.
This smells
Down at
so
the bottom.
good.
Yes.
I only had a little
Bottom
bit
left.
on my hand too.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
we can.
Yay!
Thank you.
Jessica. Yes.
I'm so embarrassed. I never
Tell
had
them how
done
great
this.
your
I
feet are.
love it. I love it.
Usually I made this for myself, and so I was using on myself, and I never did it on him before.
Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving
Oh,
it.
this is
Look at she's
so
doing.
nice.
That's
Lucky
not
today.
happening.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Jessica, you gotta teach Peggy how to do that.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, it doesn't
That's
seem
all
like
I hear about is
Yeah.
rub that on my feet.
Yeah.
come Uncle Elmer, get him, girl.
Great
Wait,
appetite.
wait, hold on. I need to. Can you guys see this?
Yes, we can. He got a big foot. He got a big foot.
Yes, he does. Absolutely, he does. Here we go. This is better. You can see better now, right?
Yeah.
See this ashiness?
Yes.
Yeah, some
Pretty
decency.
ashy.
You know, watch, Peggy. Watch closely.
Watch closely.
I hear you.
Okay, so here's the scrub. This is all I have in my head. Can you see?
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not alive.
No, you don't need me.
Yeah.
They were saying good. I bet it would be good on rough elbows too.
Huh.
Probably, yeah.
Especially
it feels good.
some-
Actually, I thought it would be rougher on my foot, but it feels really good. Really
Yeah.
good.
Exfoliator.
Ooh, look at that. Look how it just changed the skin. Ooh. Ooh.
Shiny, shiny, shiny.
Wait a minute. Is that light? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's
good.
just
You can see it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Trying to see where my. How can I get everybody on here? I
Feel
can't
good,
see.
baby.
Uh-huh.
I think it's one of the little dots there.
Top right corner says view, Peggy.
So I guess you could use it on your legs, because
Yeah,
look.
it feels
Pull
Top
your
right corner.
View at the top right corner.
Ooh, baby, you're this
Oh,
ashy.
you top right
Damn.
corner. She's trying to tell me that
Top
top
right
right
corner.
corner.
It
I'm
changed.
telling you, the dry dragon.
Hello.
Oh, I can't have my man like this. I should be ashamed.
You should be ashamed,
of
Jessica.
myself.
Sure.
Ah,
Come
For me.
on,
That is
Oh,
the scrub.
Here's
That's the scrub.
Light her up, Nigel. She gets a demerit.
You're wonderful, good. We've just been working hard. So,
I
so-
know.
Wow, you're doing very well, Jessica.
Yeah, man.
So y'all got any more questions while I'm doing this?
But is that a scrub?
This is the foot scrub. It's
Yes.
a-
Okay, that's what I thought it was, a scrub.
Foot scrub.
Okay.
And it's lavender. You don't want any more?
No, it's okay. We
Oh,
don't want the
I
whole
was
show to be
enjoying
about.
myself.
Oh my God. So-
Okay, I'm gonna get back to you though.
Yeah.
So that's
All right,
what
now-
this is. And,
This
And how
is
much
this
can we get that for? And I know that for me, that foot scrub lasts a long time. If I use it sparingly, it can last me up to 2 months.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And it's only $15. I mean, I'm
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm
not
ordering
sure. The
foot
small
scrub
one is
today.
15, I think. The
and
bigger
it's
one, I'm not
not-
sure.
It feels good on my own hands too.
You want to rinse your hands?
Yeah, I'm gonna rinse my hands. Oh
Very.
wow! Oh wow!
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, really, very nice.
That's right.
Oh,
Don't waste it. Use it all the way up to your arm.
Oh wow!
Oh wow.
So what I use?
My foot feels. I feel like a different.
Okay, the show's over. We're gonna go rub each other and
Yeah.
wow. Hope you had a good time. Hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed yourself.
Okay, you all have a nice day.
We're just kidding. We're kidding.
She's just joking, Mommy.
We've been
So-
we've been
Oh,
Oh
Look at the
wow! Look at the
Oh,
difference.
wow.
I think Sam would like that, Mary.
Wow.
And here you're gonna see the real. You're gonna really see the difference.
Oh
now.
my. Oh wow. Wait.
So
Hold on.
before.
Whoa. You're two different colors, babe. Come on, babe.
Oh, my
Oh
God.
yeah. Oh wow.
oh wow.
It looks good. Looks
Before and after.
I'm gonna have to do that on my legs.
Right?
Wow. So let's answer the question if you could use it on your legs.
Yep. Thank you for answering my
Big
question. I
difference.
appreciate that.
Yes.
You smell good too. It smells like an officer.
A good lawyer already knows the answer to the question.
That's great.
Good.
Yes. Jessica, yes.
All right. Let's see. Great. Lose my cover.
Uh-oh, you got a little hot in there, didn't you, Jessica?
Turn the fan on, babe.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shucks.
Yes. Yes.
Babe, for real.
You're going to cut us off, you guys.
Okay, so we've been working really, really hard, you guys. We've been working on 1,000 bath bomb order, and it has been insane. It's been insane. And these bath bombs are so beautiful. They're so pretty.
The
Look,
workshop is like a bath bomb explosion, y'all.
It's a new
Oh,
bath
so
bomb
pretty.
coming out with.
Pretty.
It's the new diamond shaped bath bomb. Diamond is the new round. Also a
Diamond
little
is new
less
round.
So
I can smell them. It smells wonderful.
Love it, love it, love it.
thank you.
Go ahead, mommy, with a good nose.
can you see better?
Yes.
Oh yeah, there we
Maggie
go.
Tony looks just like you.
So we've been working on these and working hard. So
Yes.
we're glad for this decompression time and time to visit with you guys and be
Yeah,
with
man.
you. So does anybody else have any questions?
I don't think so.
Well, I'm in.
More questions.
We
How
got
to use products. What to get. What products are offered. Got the
what's offered.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. That's a good. One.
Right now, we're having a beautiful sale. We're discontinuing a lot of our boxes because we're going to be moving into the holidays. We're moving into new product, and just we're really creating some amazing stuff right now. So right now we have our Mango Madness box. This one comes with a sugar scrub, a body butter, a lip balm, Nigel Jamaican almond oil, and a bath bomb. It normally retails for $51. It's on the site for $25.
Wow.
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 A lady this morning, she bought 4 of them. She said she's giving them out for Christmas.
Right.
oh.
They're limited supply, so we only have a certain amount on there. So that's that one. Then the next one.
Can you tell me what that one's called again? I'm sorry.
This one is the Mango Madness Moisture Box.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we have the 6-pack of bath bombs. So this is a 6-pack of our round bath bombs because we're about to come out with a brand new style, baby. We're about to turn it up in the bath bomb world. So these normally would be, if you bought these, they would be $30 for the set. Right now they're $15.
Wow.
The 6 bath bombs. And
Oh, wow.
these are the same bath bombs that we've, been using. They're the ones with
Yeah.
Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in them. They're wonderful for your skin. I mean, all of our products are juicy. They all have Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in them. Everything that you use, your skin is going to be getting a treat.
Just on point.
So then, next, the
Mommy
summer.
has a question. Question?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Mommy?
Yeah, no.
No, I was saying, you said your skin's gonna be, and I said popping.
Popping. That's popping. Yes, mommy. Yes. Okay, so the next thing is the summer spa kit. Summer spa kit has been like booming, one of the favorites. But we're getting rid of this box because we're getting ready to pull in a whole new thing. This one has the same foot scrub that I just used. Same foot scrub. You're going to get 2 small body butters and 2 small sugar scrubs and a Jamaican almond oil. This one retails for $77. It's marked down to $40.
Oh.
And all of these come in the box with the little stuffing. So it's not like you're just going to get this stuff in a bag or, a plastic container or
It's
whatever.
already in a box.
It's
You can
already in a box.
wrap it in a gift. And,
So
and
you can
it's
put
already
it
a gift
fits.
for someone.
Yep, it fits in the medium size envelope, the one price envelope. So you can actually send it to somebody. If you order it and you want to send it to someone else, we do that. Leave us a little note and we'll write a little note for them. We do it for birthdays.
Oh, nice.
Holiday. Okay, so then we have the Father's Day box. And mean, I know Father's Day passed a long time ago, but we made up a lot of these and we didn't sell so many of them like we did the Mother's Day boxes. So we have quite a few of these. We have in this, you have the beard oil, which a lot of men absolutely love. I should move these up like this. We have the beard oil, a half an ounce of the Nigel Jamaican almond oil. We have a little foot spa rose here, and then a little disc of soap, hand soap, and then a body butter and a sugar scrub. So it's like a little bit of everything because men need care too. So just because it's called the Father's Day box doesn't mean, it can be given to any man or for yourself. Okay, let's see. This one is normally $67 and it's marked down to $45.
Wow.
Oh, that's fantastic.
My orders in.
Another one?
Look, Christmas shopping in September.
Okay. So then the next one is the mango head to toe box. In this one, you're going to get the 4-ounce sugar scrub, the 4-ounce foot scrub that I just used on Nigel, and then the lime shea or the body butter, the shea body butter. So you're going to get all 3 of those and 1 ounce of Jamaican almond oil. And is there body butter over there?
Here? Yeah, this is a body butter.
Okay. And this one retails for $80 and it's marked down to $45.
Wow.
It has everything in it: the oil, scrub, butter, and foot scrub. So head to toe. That is the head to toe. Okay, so all the boxes are live on the site. Oh,
Your site is about to get blown up.
one last thing that I didn't bring out here were the dinosaurs.
You want me to get some?
Yeah, just get. They're sitting out there in the pack. Okay. So the dinosaurs, those were $12. They're awesome. They're for kids, and so I marked those down to $5 because
wow.
I didn't make a lot of them. Nigel made tons of them.
Yeah,
he made tons of them. I think he was enjoying making them. So, I was like, where did we get all of these? I hadn't advertised them or anything that much. I said, we're going to have these forever. There's like hundreds of them. And he was like, don't they look beautiful. They look fantastic. So I'm happy that he's getting into my world of the making of the bath bombs. So we have a lot of those. But okay, so back to the body butter. Because I just wanted to show the body butter. And actually, I just wanted to put some on too. The body butter, it took me about 4 recipes to get this body butter right. Right, Trina?
Yeah,
I mean, I was sending this to people. By the time they got it, the oil was on one side and there was color in it back then. So there was color floating. And it was just a mess. And it took me, like I said, 4 good recipes to be able to make it. I wonder what it's going to take for me to open it, though. That must be one.
No, when your hands get nice and oily, it's kind of hard to open the stuff up.
No, sometimes those cans lock up too. So yeah, and the oiliness, yeah.
Wonderful. I love it.
You know what, Jessica? I have some pants that lock. I done tried trying them, and I just was thinking about I'm going to see a friend of mine today, and I was going to take him with me because he's like super strong to open it for me.
Are they cans from us?
Yeah.
Okay, no, Ronnie, no. Email me at support@almondsofthecaribbean and email me exactly the size and the flavor, and I'll replace them right away because the cans really do lock up. It happens to us. I have about maybe 12 cans in the shop that I'll probably never be able to get open. I mean, Nigel tried to open it. We tried soaking them, and there was something that happened. They just locked up. So please make sure you email me. Don't even bother wasting your friend's energy because
send those mess up ones to me and I'll crack them open. Don't you worry.
That's right, Trina will take a can opener to him.
Take a machete to him. Where's my machete?
Don't tell Elmer. Elmer will come out there with a jackhammer.
Man,
Oh,
if
that's
Nigel
serious.
couldn't open it, I knew it was just not gonna ever open.
Open.
The cans, you know how the cans lock up?
Oh, yeah,
See if
sometimes,
you
yeah.
can open this one.
Okay.
And Ronnie was saying she has some cans and she was gonna take them to a friend. Did that one open?
Nice.
See, he was able to get that one open.
You want to open it all the way?
Well, you know what, Jessica? I'll try and see if we can open it first before I do that.
Okay.
Email you. Okay.
Okay. But know that if you ever have any problems with any of our products in any kind of way, just reach out to us. Because first of all, we want to make sure you're happy. And then second of all, we want to make sure that we know what's going on. If that's happening, then we want to know so that it doesn't happen to anyone else. And we want to make sure that you're happy, that you're able to get to your products and, because
I'm always happy with your stuff. We'll get the can open.
Okay. Let us know.
I will.
So this is the body butter. I was talking about how many recipes I had to go through. How the oil was on one side and the color was on the next side. So I was able to get it down now. And it is a little slice of wonderfulness. It has shea butter in it. And Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in it. Are you gonna put it?
Oh, wow. That's a mango.
I bet it smells so good.
It's only a little bit and it's doing her whole upper back.
And I haven't put on any lotion today at all. Like,
wow, your skin just drank it up.
And it smells like lime.
I bet it does.
Yeah, and we chose lime. Well, I chose lime because when I lived in Jamaica, they didn't have lemons. They had limes. They had lime, and the lime trees were just all over the place. And you could smell when you walk past the lime tree, you could just smell it. So, I love the lime so much. Love the lime. Okay, so I just want some body butter on. Okay, so here's the dinosaurs. The little packs of 6. Dinosaurs and unicorns.
Oh,
and we have like
love them.
1 million packs of these.
Who thought of the unicorns? Oh,
aren't they cute? Because I made them for
I'm
the kids.
definitely getting some of those. I have some little ones who like that. I'm going to get those.
What scent is the unicorn? What scent is on
Lavender.
Lavender? Okay, I'll get
Lemongrass.
That's nice. I'm going
And
to
then
get
we have
some of
some mango
those.
ones.
They're cute, aren't they?
Yes, they're adorable.
I
You
said,
know who I'm getting those for, Mary?
okay, for the grandson. I took them back to my grandson, and I figured they put 1 or 2 in the water because that's all it takes. Because they're for little kids. He dumped the whole package in. Whole package in. I said, okay, I gotta send some more.
All in.
All in. He's all in. All in.
That's hilarious.
Yes. So let's do our drawing. Let's do our drawing. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Jessica, I'm ready to place an order.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Jessica, I have a quick question for you.
I'll put the website in the chat. And how do I do that?
Oh, I know the website. I'm going straight to it. Place my.
Okay, good. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's put the names down. Yes, Trina.
Whenever yesterday you asked me what kind of sugar scrub I wanted, and I told you I wanted lime, but then last night I found a coconut
Oh, I just used the coconut. Yes.
It's
love the
oh my
coconut.
goodness.
Love the coconut.
Although I love lime, can you just send me a coconut instead?
Yes.
Already in the mail.
It's already
Oh,
off.
that's okay. Oh, they're so expedient and efficient. That's okay. I'll order some more.
I love the coconut myself. I just found a little small one.
It's like a vacation.
Wow.
It's a vacation in the shower, I'm telling you.
Yes, it is.
It's just fresh.
Like a vacation. Would you say Trina
Like a
vacation
vacation
in
in
the
the
shower?
It is. It's totally like,
It's a body scrub, Trina?
yeah, it's a scrub. It's a sugar scrub.
Oh, okay.
It's wonderful. Wonderful.
Coconut. Okay, I'm gonna have to remember that.
Body.
And the body butter. Body butter and coconut is good as well. I love it.
You love the coconut flavor.
Mix the lime with the coconut.
Yeah.
She said mix the lime with the coconut and turn it all around.
We have some bath bombs with lime and coconut.
Guys, and the coconut.
You
I
mix
have
the
a question.
lime with the coconut.
And eat it all up.
What did Mama Mary say?
I have a question. Are there products you can use together for maximum result? I mean, that really kind of really work well together?
Yes.
Sure.
The ones that I love that work together for me
Mm-hmm.
at my age, I'm 54.
Oh, you're a kid.
I'm a few minutes older than Nigel.
Mhm.
So what I use every single day is the moringa oil. And the moringa oil, Nigel can tell you the scientific part, but for me, what it does is it helps with fine lines.
There you
It
go.
helps
That's what I'm looking for.
my skin under here. I've started using it on my chest area because I noticed I was getting a little wrinkly. So I've been starting to use it on my chest area. And then also, once the pandemic came, I had gel on my nails, and so my nails were really damaged. And so Nigel told me to start using it on my nails, and now
The nails look good. I cut all of mine off, and so to start all over because I wasn't going to a nail salon. So
right.
yeah, that'll
So
work
this
for me.
will repair them. So I use this
Mhm.
underneath my eyes
Okay.
here, around here, and now on here in the mornings. And then for the rest of my body,
You know
I
what that
use
product
this,
is that you just said you use here. That's a moringa seed,
the
right?
moringa seed oil. And then next thing I do is my Jamaican almond oil.
Okay.
Right.
And with the Jamaican almond oil, there's some back. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so with the Jamaican almond oil, first thing I do is this right here. I drink some of it.
Oh, snap.
Oh,
'Cause what
Oh,
that does is
I like that.
that keeps me moist on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Inside.
I'm
mm.
all in.
Hello.
Hello, keep you moist on the inside. I like that. I like that.
Don't play. You can't play. You can't play. And then I put it on my body. You know, this is more of the all over and internal for me. And then I'll put it on my face too. I put it on my lips.
Your texture is really, really awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm in the sun every single day. I was in the sun this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I sit in the sun every day.
You're in Florida? Oh, my God.
Yeah, every day.
Love it.
Every day. So this, I would say for women that are a mature age, this and this on your face every day. And
Okay.
people always ask me, how often do you use the moringa oil? And I say, as many times as I don't want to see any wrinkles. That's how many
There
times.
you go. I'm
So I
all
use
yeah.
it in the morning
I'm
and
so
I use it at night.
okay. Works for me.
Okay, so let's do our drawing. Let's do our
Time for
drawing.
the drawing.
The drawing.
This is my favorite part.
Hey, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Let me make sure I have everybody's name though. Hold on, let me make sure I have everybody's name.
Trina,
Ronnie.
did you
I
guys
have
mention that I'm Tony's mother to
Yes.
your mother?
Yes, mommy. You know Tony's mother. Thank you, John. Introducing you, ladies.
Yeah, I wanted just to wave at her
Marie Beckner,
personally.
my mother. Thank you, Tony's mother. My girls are mothers, sisters.
No, I don't have 7. Wait.
Mommy, you want to wave to?
Okay, I have Ronnie.
Hi.
I have Mary.
I couldn't see you.
I
You
have
too.
Hi, Peggy.
Hi.
Beth.
Hello,
Hi.
dear Peggy. I'm just glad to be on here.
Where's my other
Me
Peggy?
too.
Yes, ma'am. Me
I
too.
forgot my other Peggy. I'm glad I
Yeah, we got the 2 Peggy's
Got
on.
two Peggys.
Peggy's on.
Hi, Elma in the
Where do you
background.
live, Peggy? Where do you live, Peggy?
Oh, I'm in
In Arizona.
Oh.
Arizona, Peggy, and a Georgia Peggy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I almost forgot my Peggy Z. Okay, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. Okay, you gonna pull this week because I pulled last week.
No, I'm the shaker. You're the puller.
Okay.
Yeah. Teamwork, remember?
Yeah.
I'm just shaking.
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Okay,
Shake, Nigel.
Look at my picture compared to everybody else. My picture, unless I just can see mine better.
Oh,
Beth.
Beth.
yeah,
Yeah.
Beth. And what Beth said?
Beth,
Beth said, pull a second name.
she said, pull a second name. She sure
Beth
did.
said, pull a second
Yeah.
name. Bless your
Yeah.
heart, Beth.
Wow.
Okay.
All
All right.
So put that down and
Okay.
shake again.
Okay, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
She like she knew she was gonna win.
Yeah, huh? What's going on, Beth?
Knew she was gonna win. Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has that energy. Okay.
Yeah, look.
Drum roll, please.
Oh!
Are you serious?
Peggy down!
Okay, okay.
Congratulations.
How sweet.
All right.
Oh, God.
Congratulations!
Oh,
Mother-in-law.
wow. I am so
Okay.
happy. Oh,
Peggy,
and
now-
make sure you think if it wasn't for her, oh, wow. Thank you, guys.
so Peggy, what you've won is you get to choose which one of these boxes that you want.
Oh my God. I had to go get Tony.
Did you want the summer spa kit? Pass it to me, Nigel. The summer spa kit.
Tell her
Or,
what's in it. Tell her what's in it.
okay, the summer spa kit has a foot scrub, body butter, sugar scrub, and Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. So do you want that one?
Okay.
Do you want the mango head to toe box with the big sugar scrub, the big body butter, and the foot scrub and the almond oil? Or do you want the mango madness box with the big sugar scrub, the body butter, lip balm, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, and a bath bomb? Or do you want
Just one.
6 bath bombs, 6-pack of the vegan bath bombs? Or do you want the Father's Day box with the beard and mustache oil, the Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, the soap, the foot spa balm, the sugar scrub, and the body butter? Which
My choice is
My choice is the one with the almond oil. I think it was what, the third one that you.
yeah.
Let's see. Was it the?
One of these two.
The almond oil.
Let's see. Was it this one?
That was the one.
Yeah.
This was the one. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, thank you guys. Oh, wow.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Yeah. Congratulations, Peg. Where's Peggy's name? Okay. Okay, gonna put Peggy's name on this. And Peggy is gonna be set. She's about to get her 4-ounce sugar scrub.
Oh, you see your son?
4 ounce of body butter.
Hey, Tony.
Hey.
4 ounces of sugar scrub and Nigel's Jamaican almond oil.
I can't wait to try it.
1 ounce.
And because she's my sister-in-law, my sister's mother-in-law's.
Your auntie-in-law.
She's my auntie-in-law.
Kind of like that.
I don't know.
Auntie-in-law.
He's right. He's actually right. He's actually
Stuff. Run with it, Jessica. What were you gonna say?
Okay, because she's my auntie-in-law. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it because she's my auntie-in-law. I'm gonna slide some little extra stuff in there for
Now, you know, I've got to get that red oil. I've got to get the other oil. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait. When I'm off this call, I'm going straight to place my order.
Okay.
I'm going to be set up for a minute.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Thank you guys. I can't believe this. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mama.
Congratulations,
Oh,
Peggy. Yay.
Congratulations,
Hey,
guys.
Tony.
Congratulations. Oh, there's Tony. Hey,
Yeah,
Tony.
right.
Look your mother.
Tony.
Hey, back there. I am so
Find her on the back, trying to find her on the back through the internet.
How you do that?
I am so happy, you guys.
No, you have to go sideways because
No,
What's up, Nigel?
you guys made my day.
Okay. So
Absolutely.
happy. We'll
Made
get
my day.
we'll
And my skin's gonna be like yours, Jessica.
amen.
Okay.
Amen. Mine and Trina.
I'm gonna be looking 50 when I'm done.
Ronnie.
And Peggy's, and Mary's, and Ronnie's.
And Mary's.
All of ours.
My skin is
Sandy's
beautiful, y'all. My skin is
Sandy.
Say again.
Look, I'll be 60 in a few months, so I'm getting there.
Oh, you're a baby.
Yeah, you're a baby.
Wait till you get 70 plus. So I want to look as great as Jessica's skin. I want my skin like yours.
Her skin is
Oh, you
amazing.
look beautiful
And
now.
such,
You're beautiful.
you know, no wrinkles. I mean, just fabulous skin. That
Yes.
works for
Pretty
me.
good for you. I mean, Miss Peggy, you're beautiful.
Yeah.
You are.
Absolutely.
You're gorgeous.
You can't see up close. I can see hers very well. I'm watch. I'm gonna just watch the transformation because as I
Transform.
use the product, I'm gonna look fabulous. I
Yes.
promise I
Yes.
will.
Yes. Miss Peggy, all of this started out as a promise. All of this.
Really?
All of this started out as a promise. When Nigel and I met,
Mhm.
well, we still are, but when we met, you know, and we started falling for each other, I told him, I said, I really, you know, I don't see a future because I'm 20 years older than you. You're 26 and I'm 46. And I'm going to start looking old. You know, there's going to be a time where I'm going to start looking old.
Stop saying that because
So,
you
but
look
listen.
fabulous.
But listen, it was a reality. That's
Oh, well,
it
yeah.
was a reality.
Put all the cards on the table, everything
I was
on the
putting
table.
I was putting my cards on the table.
Yeah.
I'm not having any kids. I already have some, and I'm you know, I'm gonna get older, and I'm already 20 years older than you. So then look, this is what he said to me, Miss Peggy. He said,
I'm gonna make you something that will keep you young forever.
I like that.
Make you something that'll keep you young forever.
Oh, wow.
And he fulfilled his promise.
He sure did.
He started making this, and not only did it help me with my skin wasn't bad to begin with, but
No.
I was teaching paddleboard yoga in the sun every day. So it protected my skin from the sun. And then I got sick. I got really sick with a thing called chikungunya, where you're supposed to get a rash all over your body. And many people did. And as soon as my hands started to itch, he had a mustard bottle full of this, and he poured it on me, and he doused my body with it, and I never got the rash on my body. Never got the rash on my body. There was a time where I was constipated for 9 days. I had been traveling. I was constipated for 9 days. And this was in 2013, before he even had it in a bottle with a label, nothing. He chased me around the house with a spoon. And he said, "You're going to take this. You're going to take this tablespoon."
Chaser, Nigel, chaser.
I never was constipated again. I was never constipated again. So for me, you know, like just to go back to what I said at first, this all came about as a promise.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
You know, so it's
love.
It's life.
Absolutely
and
love.
Yes.
You know,
but you guys are helping. You guys are really onto something, because, like I said, this product is going to be really a fantastic treatment for all of us. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You know, something that, you know, you can pass on, whatever. But I'm telling you, that is a fantastic. That how he came up with that. Now that's real love. Okay.
Love in a bottle. Love in a bottle.
That's real love.
I can
They
also
say Trina, love in a bottle.
Good.
Yeah, I couldn't have said it better.
Love in a bottle.
Adorable, but you look fabulous.
also say I
can't
have
wait
used that
to put it in
oil
these-
for constipation, and it is fabulous. And the other thing I swear by with the almond oil, I got savagely bitten by mosquitoes.
Oh,
And
yes.
I even had some old scars, and I rub it on my legs faithfully every single night. To the fact I've used up all of my husband's. But it has faded. They're not completely gone, but they're so faded now I don't feel uncomfortable wearing skirts again.
Oh my
I
goodness.
just rub it and rub
I
it,
like that.
rub it.
Wow.
Yeah.
it's the vitamin K that's in
Yes.
oil, and what that vitamin K does, it lightens dark circles.
Yes,
so
it
without
does.
bleaching your skin, it'll lighten up. I like using it underneath my eyes, because
I'm prone to that darkness.
Me too.
use it. Yeah.
You as well. Yeah, a fairer skin, you know, you
everything's
thrown it right through there. And it's just like, oh, is there any product on the market? They say it is. No, it doesn't. But you, like I said, I can see the supple in your skin.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I can see it. It radiates. You know what I'm saying? Smooth. Okay. You guys ain't gonna know me soon, so.
Two Peggy Divas now.
Okay, and this from a 73-year-old. So I just want to look 70. I'm not being outlandish.
Right, we're divas.
Well,
and
you look a lot
already a
younger
diva.
than 70 now.
Oh, you so sweet, Peg.
You do. You're beautiful.
Thank you, darling.
I'm gonna get going, guys.
Okay.
And I will catch up with you.
Again, Peggy.
Love everybody. It was so good to see you.
Yeah.
You guys.
Saturday, I love this call. I love it.
I did too.
Saturday party.
One love.
Thank you, guys. I just want to know, how often will we have one of these meetings? You see what I'm saying?
Every Saturday.
Same time.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because I had company in town and they're gone.
But you guys are, like I said.
Okay.
I'm going to be a good customer.
Oh.
Because I want this thing to get really, really big.
Yes.
But my daughter had already been using some of the product, and she said, my eyebrows, she said they were gone. And she said, I used that on my eyebrows. And she said, it grew back. I said, what? And she said, absolutely, it works. So, okay. The oil.
It will help to make the lashes longer too.
Yes, she said that.
Yes.
So,
Diane,
but
Peggy.
I can't. I'm going to put my order in. So but thank you so much. Thank you, Trina, for
You're welcome, Mama.
for
You're welcome,
giving
Mama
me the
Johnson.
information on this meeting. But
That's
you
your
guys
daughter-in-law.
good weekend, and I really appreciate that. I love this. But okay, family. So
Thank
I'll
All right. Thank you
Bye,
for being
Emily.
with us. Yeah, man. Take care, guys. Yeah, man.
okay, take care.
Love you
Love and
guys.
harmony.
Bye, daughter.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye, Joshy.
See you next week, Saturday.
Okay, you as well. Take care, you guys. Let me go
Bye-bye.
put my
You
order.
too.
Take
Mama
care.
Johnson, come in. See you next week.